Hey man, I honestly don't give a fuck. You feel me, bro?
And I apply my lashes with my hands. A lot of people ask me how to put on lashes, and I don't know how to explain. You just gotta practice. A lot of people use a little eyelash tool, but I just prefer my hands because it's just easier. So yeah, I'm just putting those on. I think they really make a difference in my makeup. Like without lashes, the look just doesn't look complete to me. So yeah, but lashes aren't really mandatory. If you guys already have beautiful lashes, then you don't have to worry about this step. That's pretty much it for the eye look, and after that I just kind of fixed up my makeup, and then I decided that I wanted to wear black lipstick instead of red, to complete the alt girl look. But that's it, guys. I love you guys. Have a good day. Bye.